You're looking at a beautiful 2003 Fountain 47 Sport Cruiser. This is a one-owner boat, very clean. It's available for sale at Grand Sports Center here in Morris, Illinois. This is a super clean 200-hour example of the Sport Cruiser line. I'm going to take you through a full video walk around today. Paint is in great shape. Good looking lines on this boat. Windshield design. Also has an arch. Included is a triple axle Myco custom trailer. Recent tires and brakes. Paint's in great shape. Gel coat has a ton of shine. Rub rail's in great shape. You have a small gap in the rub rail up here. Midwest boat. Very large boat. I have to back up all the way here to get a nice full profile view. Up front, you've got docking lights. V-block on the trailer. Bottom of the boat is clean. Nose is clean. See the paint up front. Very nice. Trailer does have a spare. This boat is equipped with triple 500 EFI. Engine scan 200 hours. It's a Sport Cruiser. You've got a deep cuddy, galley package. You've got cabin AC. Boat also is equipped with a generator. Got a paint chip there. Mark in the blue there. Touched up there. And a couple small touch-ups here. Overall, excellent condition outside. There are your shore power plugins, fuel fills, and your waste tank pump out. You've got stainless pop-up cleats. Very well cared for boat. Beautiful transom, triple Bravo ZX drives, rebuilt by All American Drive Services. 28-inch props, hydraulic steering, through hull exhaust. We've also got large K-plane trim tabs. Got a drop-down swim ladder. Corners of the boat are nice. Next, we're going to pull up a ladder and take a walk through the inside. Now we'll take a walk through the inside. Starting at the back of the boat, got a nice non-slip area on your swim platform. Got a transom washdown shower over here. Beautiful and spacious rear sun pad. The interior is excellent in this boat. Vinyl is soft and supple. See, it's got a lot of shine. Shows very little wear. Got your fountain logo back here. There's a spot there in the vinyl. Pretty minor. The rest looks great. Arch design, very cool. You've got a very roomy cockpit. Plenty of seating. Power drop-down seat bases. Rear-facing side-by-side seats. Rear bench design. You've got removable cockpit carpet with the fountain logo. Carpet is very clean as well. Got step pads on either side. See, the headrests are clean. Great looking helm. Got gaff rig gauges. Color matched bezels. Got an azimuth compass up here. Does have a cover. Gaff rig GPS speedo. Side-by-side driver and passenger seating. Seat bases are clean. Power drop down. You've got integral steps up to the deck. This boat does have a windshield. Does have a white coated frame. Walk through up to the deck. Center non-slip section. See, the gel coat is bright on the deck. No discoloration, no sun fade. Very clean all the way down. Powder coated rails are in great shape. A little wear, nothing too crazy. Got a forward anchor locker up here. Nice and deep. Boat has a huge cuddy cabin. You've got entrance doors right here. Release these latches. Flip that up. Cabin carpet is clean. The whole cabin is very nice. Boat does include a full cover. These are your canvas poles, also a nav light. Nice salon seating area. Vinyl's all very clean. Does include fountain throw pillows. Got a V-berth sleeper up front. On the side here, in addition to the cabin fans, are your fill-in cushions for the salon seating here. There was also a table that fits in here. We've got some storage panels on the side here. Storage locker here. Got a hanger. Shore power cord. Very nice galley setup in this boat. Got a large stainless sink, stovetop, fridge cooler. You also have a microwave. Got cabin air conditioning. Boat is equipped with a Kohler generator. Got 90 hours on the meter for that one. Kenwood CD stereo. Enclosed room for head. The potty has been removed due to not being used. It is available. Sink and a shower. Get a nice look at the carpet, very clean. Seat bases coated, very nice. Corners of the bolsters. Under the rear bench, we've got triple battery switches. Power is on. Split engine hatches go up smooth and quiet. Nice and quick. Triple 500 EFIs. Engine scan 200 hours. All original. Regularly maintained. Fuel injected. Great turnkey setup. All your batteries. There's your Kohler generator. Very clean engine room. Stainless headers and exhaust tubes look great. Tops of the motors are clean. See the pulleys on the front of the motors are clean. This is a great example of the Fountain Sport Cruiser series. You also have a nice step ladder down. Get in there for access and maintenance. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call at 815-941-2220. Our full inventory is updated daily at grandsportcenter.com. Give us a follow on Facebook. We're posting specials and new arrivals daily. Thanks for watching.